Hi guys, I'm going to do the unboxing of this iPhone 13 Pro that I have today. And as you know that the Apple is reducing the plastic use, so they don't have any external plastic coverage on this. But I found this something greasy things. I don't know how they have made this. This seems something like a plastic things or something anyways. So there is a backside, you can see, you can peel out these things, uh, two places. So it can be open. So it is unboxing. So here is the phone and another box. Here is it's a box structure is made. This is a strong box, so protection. And here is a main mobile iPhone, and here is an instruction that you may be interested very little bit, because most of the people don't go through this one because they will already know about this thing. So here is that SIM card ejector, and here is Apple sticker. And what about this? Isn't this plastic? Why are they still using this? They might only have the answer of for this one. And interesting thing. So this is not a plastic. Earlier it used to be plastic, if I'm not wrong, but now it's a paper. So, but in inner side there is maybe that is required. Hmm. So it looks nice, as you all know. I think it looks similar to 12, but I think they have a little bit increased the size of camera, so that may give that fully functional things, and that as they have added the cinematic video mode also in this one. So another thing that is in the box is the charger, but still the charger is not there. It's a cable only. So these are the things that I found inside my iPhone 13 Pro. So hope you guys came to know that what are inside the box, but how it is. Definitely Apple is giving the best product in the market, so nobody need to regret. But the amount and the feature that you get, you can always compare. There are always cheaper version of the Android things that we can get a lot of things that still some iPhone is not giving. Thank you for watching. See you next time.